Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss a very important topic for HVAC students and technicians. 5 common mistakes during split AC installation that can cause gas leakage. Gas leakage is one of the most common problems in air conditioning systems. Many refrigerant leaks are not caused by old equipment, but by installation mistakes made during the initial setup. A small leak can reduce cooling performance, increase electricity consumption, damage the compressor, and lead to expensive repairs. Let's learn the most common mistakes and how to avoid them. Why gas leakage is a serious problem. Before discussing the mistakes, let's understand why gas leakage is dangerous. When refrigerant leaks from the system, cooling performance decreases, compressor operating temperature increases, electricity consumption rises. Ice may form on the evaporator coil. System life can be shortened. Repair costs become higher. This is why proper installation is critical. Mistake number 1. Poor flaring of copper pipes. One of the biggest causes of refrigerant leaks is improper flaring. During installation, copper pipes are connected to the indoor and outdoor units using flare connections. If the flare is uneven, cracked, overflared, underflared, a leak can develop at the connection point. How to avoid it? Use a quality flaring tool. Cut the copper pipe properly using a tube cutter. Remove burrs before flaring. Inspect the flare surface carefully. Ensure the flare is smooth and uniform. A good flare connection is essential for leak-free operation. Mistake number 2. Incorrect tightening of flare nuts. Even a perfect flare can leak if the flare nut is not tightened correctly. Many beginners make 2 mistakes. Over-tightening. Excessive force can damage the flare surface. Under-tightening. Insufficient tightening may allow refrigerant to escape. How to avoid it? Follow manufacturer recommendations. Tighten flare connections carefully. Ensure proper seating of the flare before tightening. Proper tightening helps create a reliable seal. Mistake number 3. Failing to perform proper vacuuming. Many inexperienced installers skip the vacuum process to save time. This is a serious mistake. Vacuuming removes air, moisture, and non-condensable gases from the refrigeration system. If moisture remains inside the system, acid formation may occur, internal corrosion may develop, and system performance may decrease. How to avoid it? Always use a vacuum pump. Connect a manifold gauge set, and evacuate the system properly before releasing refrigerant. Vacuuming is one of the most important installation procedures. Mistake number 4. Bending copper pipes incorrectly. Copper pipes are designed to carry refrigerant safely between indoor and outdoor units. Improper bending can cause pipe deformation, kinks, cracks, and restricted refrigerant flow. Over time, damaged pipe sections may develop leaks. How to avoid it? Use proper bending tools when necessary. Avoid sharp bends. Support pipes correctly during installation, and inspect piping before installation. Proper pipe handling protects the refrigeration system. Mistake number 5. Ignoring leak testing before startup. Some technicians complete the installation and immediately start the AC without checking for leaks. This is risky because even small leaks may go unnoticed. How to avoid it? Before operating the system, inspect all flare connections. Perform leak checks according to professional procedures. Verify all connections are secure. Correct any issues before startup. Leak testing helps identify problems before refrigerant is lost. Conclusion. Most refrigerant leaks are preventable when proper installation procedures are followed. The 5 common mistakes that can lead to gas leakage are: poor flaring, incorrect tightening of flare nuts, skipping vacuuming, improper pipe bending, ignoring leak testing. By avoiding these mistakes, HVAC technicians can improve system reliability, cooling performance, and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more HVAC training videos